What are you doing? I'm pushing. What are you doing? I'm pulling. And you? Oh, I'm just cutting. You know we're the same person, right? Can we get together as one and get this job done? There's plenty of stuff to do. That's fair. You got it, boss. Sure thing. You bet. Stop! Don't do that! Don't do that! What's the problem? I was just going to cut that. Why are you going to cut that? It's a chainsaw. Get the hell out of my sight. That's okay. I was done anyways. Thanks for stopping by. We finally got this area opened up. Now we can get to the excavator. I'm excited to get more videos made with this in the future. It needs quite a few repairs, but we'll get it done. But until then, we've got the loader to make videos with and do things. We've got plenty of work to do with that still. So until next time, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the video.